Hey everybody, let me talk in this video about priorities. So, priority mean when you have more than one operation, which operation will be executed first? So if I say 3 plus 10 multiplied by 5. So what do you think the result? You say, okay, 3 plus 10 should be 13 multiplied by 5. How much should be? 13, 13, 13. I don't know, 13, 26, 26 and 26 should be 14, 50, 52, I think. But if you click here, it gives you 53. So why? This is one of most questions that many people when they start programming ask themselves, why this one? Because in programming, same thing what happened in the math. There is priorities. There is operation have to execute first other operation. So when any math operation try to be run on compiler, he will go from left to right. He will check first two operations and compare them. Which one have higher priority will be run first. So he will compare 3 with, he will compare addition with multiply. Which one have priority? If you look through this table, you see the higher priority here is exponential. Don't think about it, but if you go down, if you see multiplication and division have higher priority than addition subtraction, so the one who will be on the top will be higher priority than the next. So if you have multiplication and have addition and multiplication on the top of addition, that's mean, hey, the multiplication will be run faster first. So you will multiply 10 by 5 should be 15, then he added 3 should be 53. So, how the process run? Let me show you step by step. If you said you have 3 plus 10 multiplied by 5. The compiler go from left to right. He compare first two process, addition, multiplication. Who has high priority? We said multiplication has priority, so he will run this process first. He multiply 10 by 5, he give you 50, and he went back plus 3, then he added 3 plus 50 will be 53. Okay, that's great. So let we do how we fix this process. Wait, if you go back, you see who is the higher priority, addition, but who is highest all these processes? The bracket, is that right? Brackets have high priority. So if I want this process to run faster, if I want addition run faster, I will add these between a bracket. So if it's between a bracket, they will be run faster. So he will do first anything inside the bracket. He say, hey, 3 plus 10, 30 multiplied by 5, 65. See? This was not 45, but 65, the real number. So yes, this is basically how he did this process. Think about you have a 5 added to 10 multiplied by 4 divided by, let me suppose, another 5, I think, because he will give us something. If you run it, he will give you 13. But why he give you 13? Let me go back here. I think about this process the same way that we think about it. If I have 5 added to 10 multiplied by 4 divided by 5, he will come from right to left. He select first two operations, this one and this one. Which one have high priority? This one. He will execute multiplication, so he will take 5 down, add it to multiplication 10 by 4 is be 40, then division by 5. Now he will compare two process again. Addition, division. Which one have high priority? Division. He will divide 40 by 5. So you have 5 plus 40 by 5. How much you have it? I think 8. So 5 plus 8 should be 13. Did you see? But if you want the addition run first, you say, okay, I have this. I want to add 5 to 10 first, then do multiplication, then division. You know, if two processes have same priority, they will execute from the right to left. If you run it, he give you 12. Why 12? Look through it. 5 added to 10, 15. Now he came here. So let me show you how this one works. So if I have 5 plus 10, but they are between a bracket, then you have multiplied by 4 divided by 5. In math, this is because the bracket there will be run first. So 5 plus 10 should be 15 multiplied by 4 divided by 5. Now he came from left to right. He compared two processes, divide, multiplication and division. Because if you go to the table, you see multiplication and division, they are in same order. See, multiplication and division, they are in same order. Because in same order, they will be run from the left to right. So the one in the left will be run first, if they are in same order. So you will run this one first. So 15 by 4, 15, 15, 30, 30, 30, 16. Then 16, when he divided by 5, how much he will give you? He will give you 12. Yeah, this is basically how the process runs. So if you try to think about any math operation in programming, you have to think in the same way when you write math. The process will be run from left to right. He will compare two operations. The one who have high priority will be run first. If there are both having same priority, the one on the left will run first. I showed you different example, and here we're done, and thank you for watching.